So May 2023, nagsimula po kami nung umalis po si VP Sara sa party niya. So nakita po namin what if we ran a 2028 presidential election. So noong May 2023 po, last year, si VP Sara got around 38% of the votes. Voter preference. Ngayon, nagulat po kami when we ran the survey kasi nagkaroon po ng concern on confidential funds.
Yung mga ganon,
October. Nagulat po kami noong October, 8% ang binaba sa voter preference ni VP Sara from 38% nung May last year to to just 30% noong October. So ngayon po medyo tumaas lang po siya ngayon kasi we conducted the survey November 20 to 24 last year. Nagpahinga muna kami ng December. We'll run another one next week. So nakita po namin doon, nagkaroon po talaga ng effect yung concern sa confidential funds between May to October. So second place po kasi si Senator Raffy Tulfo nung May at 30%. So nag-number 1 si Senator Raffy Tulfo noong October because bumaba si VP Sara. Ngayon po, when we ran the survey last November, ito po yung naging resulta nila. Almost statistically tied po sila. Kami naman po, may methodology naman po kami. So may margin of error po yan. At 2,000 respondents.
Follow that.
So forgive me if I'm not a statistician, pero yung statistician namin pinompute na margin of error dito around 3%. 2 to 3% if I'm not mistaken. I'll just give the actual figure. Sa unahan po yan ng report. So yun po, statistically tied po sila ngayon. Tumaas po ng 1% yung voter preference ni VP Sara in 1 month. Interesting to see the results next week. So yan po, may tatlong question po kaming nilagay, Ma'am Ina. First question, sino yung first choice mo? So ito po yung lumalabas sa first choice na voter preference. Then we have another question, sino po yung second choice in case hindi tumakbo yung inyong first choice? Ginagamit po kasi namin yan to filter din po and to analyze. Let's say for example, yung second choice po ngayon, nagpapalitan lang din po eh. So kung titingnan po natin yung data, may sa full report, meron po kami niyan. Message na po ako or si Sir Michael.
Sige.
So lumalabas po dito sa second choice, kay VP, yung mga first choice si Senator Raffy Tulfo, ang second choice majority, 7 out of 10 ng Raffy Tulfo voter preference first choice, si VP Sara. And almost po kay VP Sara, 6 to 7 out of 10 naman, na ang first choice si Senator Raffy Tulfo, ang second choice nila si VP Sara. So nagpapalitan na po yung mga may voter preference po sa dalawa. So yun po yung ginagamit namin for analysis.